Hello collective, it's Source Walking. Today's video is going to be on the fact that we move as one simultaneously as the whole thing instantaneously. Now, you might be confused on what is he really talking about? What I really mean is that information travels instantaneously. It must, because we are a distinct thing. Think of it like this. Because we're able to interact with ourselves and make distinctions within ourselves as emergence, there must be a minimum distance, right? A minimum distance between point A and point B, a minimum distinction. Because if there wasn't, there's infinite ways you could cut something in half infinitely, right? A super task. You could always cut distance in half. There's always another variation you can find within infinity. So because we're distinct, because we can't interact, there must be some kind of minimum distinction happening here. And because of that fact, think of Conway's game of life, for example. Because we are a distinct thing and we do interact, change must happen on a universal scale. The whole thing must move simultaneously in order for there to be any kind of meaningful interaction between nodes in different spaces and distinctions inside of emergence. Think of Conway's game of life. The whole thing transforms as itself, right? And the illusion of movement comes from the interactions between cells. But in reality, the whole grid is universally transforming as itself, creating the illusion of movement. That's basically what happens in real life. That's why we move as one, we are distinct as one, and we move simultaneously. So what does that mean? Well, since I am free will within an instantaneously transforming thing, a universally transforming thing that moves as one, since I get to choose how to move, that means that I'm choosing how to move the entire thing because it all moves as one.